हमारे नए वीडियोस को देखने के लिए YouTube के ऐप पर बेल आइकन को क्लिक कीजिए।
Hello everyone, today we are going to install macOS on Windows.
Check this.
The files you required are VMware, which will act like a virtual machine, codes, and macOS. The link is given in the description for downloading the files. First, you have to download the files and unzip it. Second, install the VMware software. Third, open it and create the OS. Fourth, type which you would name your OS and choose macOS Hisar from the OS menu, which is the latest software developed by Apple. Select the VMC drive where you have unzipped the file. Configure some settings as shown in the video. After setting up the OS, it is time to write some codes. So open CMD in your Windows and copy paste the codes written in the notepad. And do not forget to change the name of your OS in the codes. First code is your program location where you install the software, so make sure your program location is correct. After the codes, run your macOS. It will start boot. After the boot, set up your Mac. option for closing your Mac. First, send shutdown signal and shut down the machine have the same option, which will take time when you open it again. So I will prefer save the machine state. Enjoy operating your new Mac. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.